So students, let's make a revision of the chapter through my PowerPoint presentation. The story of village Palampur. We have discussed the following topics in the chapter. The story of village Palampur. We have seen that the features of the village Palampur. Look at the features. Farming was the main activity, well connected with neighboring villages. Raiganj was a big village 3 kilometers from Palampur. The village has about 450 families. 80 upper caste owns the majority of land. Most of the houses have electricity connection. Palampur has 2 primary schools and 1 high school. There is a primary health center run by the government and 1 private dispensary is also there. Then we have dealt with the factor of productions, the 4 factor of productions, that is the land, labor, capital and enterprises. Capital is of 2 types, physical capital. Physical capital is of 2 types, that is physical capital and human capital. Physical capital comprises working capital, that is raw materials and fixed capital, machinery, buildings. Human capitals are the laborers who are engaged in the process of productions. See, land, labor, capital. Then we have seen that land is fixed. Farming is the main production activity in Palampur. 75% of the people are dependent upon farming for their livelihood. Land area under cultivation is practically fixed. Then every types of crops are grown in the village Palampur. Kharif crops, Rabi crops, summer crops. Sugarcane is also grown. Then they used to practice multiple cropping. That is the common way of increasing production on a given piece of land. Modern farming method. See, modern farming method was also used by some of the rich farmers, which is characterized by the use of pesticides, insecticides, machineries in all agricultural operations. See, the Rabi crops, example of Rabi crops, Kharif crops and Zaid crops. You should know at least 3 Rabi crops, Kharif crops and Zaid crops are those crops which are grown during summer season, such as watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, some vegetables, etc. See, the traditional farming practiced by the farmers of India and the modern farming method. Question often asked in the final exam, what are the differences between traditional farming and modern farming? You can see here. Next, Green Revolutions. We have studied program started by the government in 1960s to increase the production of rice and wheat, particularly by using the modern technique of farming. See, the advantages of Green Revolution led to the bumper production of rice and wheat. Before Green Revolution, our country was dependent upon the import of food grains, but now after the Green Revolution we find our economy has become self-sufficient in the matter of food grains. See, but there are certain demerits of Green Revolution also here. You can study the demerits. The use of chemical fertilizers is degrading the land. Excessive use of water is led to the recession of the groundwater level. These are some of the harmful effects of the Green Revolutions. Some even called it as a gene revolution, which has a lot of harmful chemical effects on the land and even on the life of the farmers.